This setup is 300TPD Sulfide Antimony ore flotation plant, which is configured with a vibrating feeder, jaw crusher, cone crusher, vibrating screen, X-ray sorter, ball mill, spiral classifier, flotation machine, centrifugal concentrator, shaking table, thickener, plate filter, disc filter, etc. According to this customer's requirement, we designed the following beneficiation flowchart. 1. Dump truck send raw materials into the hopper, then to vibrating feeder evenly feed jaw crusher. 2. Jaw crusher is primary crushing, and can crush big rock ore down to 40 to 60 mm. 3. The discharging of the jaw crusher goes to the cone crusher for secondary crushing via a belt conveyor. There is an iron remover on this belt conveyor aimed to remove mechanical iron before the input cone crusher. Cone crusher is secondary crushing, and can crush medium rock ore down to 20 mm. 4. The discharging of the cone crusher goes to a vibrating screen via a belt conveyor for sieving out 0 to 20 mm and above 20 mm. Above 20 mm are back to the cone crusher for crushing via belt conveyor. Below 20 mm go to X-ray sorter via belt conveyor for sorting out the grade 2.5% above antimony ore and less than 2.5% antimony ore. 5. The grade of antimony ore above 2.5% is sent to a transit hopper with a loader, then through electromagnetic vibrating feeder evenly sent to belt conveyor, then feed ball mill for grinding to powder form. 6. The discharging of the ball mill goes to the spiral classifier for classification of coarse-grained and fine-grain, in order to form a closed grinding circuit, so as to achieve more than 80% discharging of 200 mesh that flotation requires. 7. The overflow of spiral classifiers is pumped to the mixing tank, then into the flotation process. 8. The tailing of the flotation process goes to the centrifugal concentrator by slurry pump for recovery of antimony concentrate. 9. The antimony concentrate coming from the centrifugal concentrator goes to the shaking table for further separation of the antimony concentrate aimed to improve the grade of antimony concentrate. 10. The tailing coming from the centrifugal concentrator and shaking table are pumped to cone thickener for adjusting concentration, its underflows are pumped to plate filter for dehydration, then you can get dried tailing ore. 11. The concentrate coming from the flotation process is pumped to a thickener for adjusting concentration, then its underflows are pumped to a disc filter for dehydration. Then you can get dried antimony concentrate. This flowchart design includes concentrate dehydration and tailing dehydration. So customers can get dried concentrate. Meanwhile, recycled water can be used again for this plant. The advantage of this flowchart can make customers get the maximum recovery ratio and the best grade of antimony concentrate.